In today's video, we're heading back outside to finish up the backyard. And at the end of our video today, we're going to show a little celebration that we're having for Jason's 50th birthday that kind of wraps up what we're doing in the backyard. Although there's still tons of projects back here to do, but the main part of the fire pit is all done. And so follow me over on Instagram and Facebook, where I'll be sharing behind the scenes where obviously the grass hasn't grown in and those type of things, because I think that's just going to make it look so much more lush and just beautiful. So if you want to kind of see more things that we keep doing, make sure you're following me over there. All right, let's get out here. We have a lot of planting to do and just clean up, and I'm super excited because it just is going to look so awesome. All right, let's get to it.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond
All this sweating and working in the yard was making me think about my armpits, and so I wanted to show you guys my Lumi deodorant. This is pretty awesome. I recently saw this in the store and decided to get myself a starter pack. And not only is it, for your armpits, this is an all over body deodorant. You can use it anywhere. This will block your BO for 72 hours. Not to mention it smells amazing too. And it's aluminum free, baking soda free. It is fantastic. It's clinically proven safe for your skin. This was invented by an OBGYN, so she understands how important it is to us when it comes to body odor in all our areas. I love that it just makes me always feel fresh. I always just feel more body confident. It's just something that I highly recommend. Something else that's super awesome is it does not stain your clothes. So no matter where you want to use it on your body and you feel like, oh, I'm worried that it's going to damage your clothes, it does not stain your clothes. That was very important to me. The Lumi Starter Pack is a great way for new customers to check everything out. You get a full-size deodorant stick, you get the cream body deodorant, and then you get 2 free gifts, usually like the body wipes and the body wash. So this is a great way to check it out. And right now you can get 30% off. And if you click the link down in my description box, my followers will get an extra $5 off, and it's free shipping. So be sure to use my code CHARMING. That ends up being a deal of over 40% off. I love the directions on the back of the bottle. It says swipe anywhere that you have odor that you wish that you didn't. It's so true. So head to the link down in the description box. Be sure to use my code CHARMING, and a big thank you to Lumi for sponsoring today's video and keeping us all smelling fantastic.
significant light. where he was needed, gleamed in black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn, and when we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. A significant life, just what it was needed, clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn, when we finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. Turn around and show your face, let me see parts of you. Oh my, our bodies interlace, slow and easy, and I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful, I can hear you within the silence. Ooh, we will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. parts of you. the night, and I will watch you, breath after breath, hold on, so beautiful. And if you fall, I will catch you. We will dance away gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. We will.
These flowers are so beautiful. I found these at Sam's Club. They were so inexpensive, and at nighttime they look so pretty with the little tiki torches. These are the best tiki torches. I've had these for years, and so I'll show them to you at nighttime so you can check them out. I love having a little kiddie picnic table next to our big table with an umbrella. So we have lots of seating options out here. Between this table, we have the day bed, we have the full seating area in there, we have the fire pit that's over there, and then we have seating up on the upper deck. There's lots of different areas and options for you to sit down out here. Personally, this day bed is my favorite area. I love sitting on it. And then this is just a great place to have company. Oh, the little 50th fell down. We're getting ready to celebrate Jason's 50th birthday, like I said. I need to pick that up. This is just a nice area for sitting. And then I'm setting up all the food over here. And it's just nice because it's covered. I love having the ceiling in here. It just is so super handy and makes it just a nice little seating area for us. Now out here, I obviously still need to get a sidewalk done. We haven't quite made up our mind exactly what we're doing, so that is to be determined. This is going to look so beautiful. Just envision it with the grass grown in. It'll be like a park. Just, oh. So stay tuned, make sure you watch for that. This is gonna be such a nice day. It is beautiful out here. It is like 77. I'm gonna have to link this for you guys. It is so cute. It's a little thing that says, "Welcome to our fire pit." And it's for s'mores. Look at that. I haven't opened anything up yet because it's not quite party time. So I don't want it to get gross. Jason has the fire pit all ready to go. I love all the plants, the mulch. Here in a little bit, we're gonna have a bounce house. I'll be sure to show you. And then I just love how finished off. We still gotta get all this little rock. We got down to the end and getting that out turned into oh my goodness. But just imagine this when all of it's grown in with grass. It's gonna be beautiful. I love this little area under. See, there's the back door, table up there. And then just this area always was just so ugly. And I was like, what can I do with it? And so I just finished it off with some mulch and some plants that love the shade. And I just feel like it looks so much better. So much better. So I'm setting up this fun little little game. It's kind of like cornhole / golf. So we'll have a little something to do. That's where the bounce house will be going. So that should be fun for the kids. So this area of our backyard is actually huge. We have about an acre here. This is my chicken coop that's sitting here waiting for me to get chickens. And then down there at the very, very back is a pond. And I have to show you this sweet little area that I did. Okay, if you're an OG and you've been around, then you remember my sweet girl Lily. This is where Lily's buried. And I just wanted to put a little bench and put some lilies down here and just make this look a little better. We have quite a bit of work to do down here. All this rock came out from where we dug out for the fire pit. So we have a very rocky backyard. And so we have to get all that figured out. But my dog Lily loved fish, and so I put this little fish down here with some little flowers in it. So I thought that was a nice little thing for her. So way back here in the woodsy part of our yard, I have a secret hidden rock climbing wall for the kids to come down to. And so it's pretty fun. I always try to come down and make sure it's like cleaned off and that type of thing, but it's kind of a fun little thing because you got to come down and go down a little woodsy type trail to get to it.